What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button, because a lot of time goes into making these videos and that really does go a long way in helping the channel out. So today we're going to be talking about Stratasys, a 3D printing stock. I do have a position in Stratasys. None of this is financial advice. This is just me sharing my ideas with you guys, and it's super important to make sure that you do your own research and come to your own conclusions. So I actually went ahead and opened a position in Stratasys this morning, a little bit after the market opened. I have an average cost of $18.64. It's currently 3:06 p.m. Eastern Time in Michigan, and the stock is trading at $19, up 3.32% for the day. So let's talk a little bit about the stock. So 3D printing is an industry that has left investors a little disappointed in recent times. This is an industry that is contingent on being disruptive, and disruption takes time. Innovation and disruption can lead to extremely high returns, and that's why I like to invest in things that are innovative in that sense. With the current landscape and economic environment, companies are innovating more now than ever. So there's one thing that I like to frequently keep in mind. This is something that's extremely important when it comes to buying stocks, and that is that it matters so much when you buy. For example, if you bought Uber in 2019, you might have been disappointed, but how much of the conversation is surrounding Uber and other rideshare platforms right now? I don't own Uber anymore. I took profits, but you get the point. That's why when I had the opportunity to invest in a company like Stratasys, I completely took advantage of it. Stratasys is a 3D printing manufacturing company, and now if you keep up with technology at all, you know that 3D printing is almost seeming like an inevitable future. I think this type of technology has huge upside because of its ability to disrupt supply chains. In doing so, that would make manufacturing and prototyping less costly and overall just more efficient. Now, my biggest concern as an investor in 3D printing is who's going to be the players in this industry, who's going to be able to take advantage of these market trends the most. I personally picked Stratasys because they're very versatile and they have a lot of products that appeal to a ton of different industries. Not only that, but they are also the largest manufacturer when it comes to 3D printing, so their size could be something that gives them a competitive advantage and keep other competitors at bay. Now let's go into the numbers. I was watching Stratasys very closely at $19 for a while, and today I had the opportunity to buy in under that. They have a market cap of about $1 billion, which is way less than competitors. So to me, it looks like I'm paying less for these shares. Another company, Proto Labs, has a market cap of around $3.2 billion. The 52-week high for Stratasys was $30.60. So in a market where there's so many stocks that are overvalued, it actually appears to me that Stratasys seems to be undervalued right now, so it made it a great play for my portfolio. Stratasys is still down 17.63% for the year. This is a company with no debt, and they also have just under $7 million in cash on their balance sheet. Not only that, but they've also been able to generate a ton of revenue and have positive cash flow even in their worst quarters. In the back half of this year, Stratasys is set to announce new products, and one of those products could be 3D metal printing. If they announce that they're going to be doing 3D metal printing, then the bear case for this stock becomes so much weaker, because that's an area where they're really lacking as opposed to some of the other 3D printing companies. So if this stock does go down a little bit, I'm going to buy more. I didn't just dump all my cash into it. I really do think that this is an investment where I could 2x to 4x my money in the next 3 to 5 years. So I'm playing Stratasys for the long game. I want to know what you guys think about Stratasys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.